Pump stalling? The run keeps moving and you gain performance insights. Hi, I'm Jeff Nickel, Sales Manager at PromoChrom Technologies, and welcome back to Think Smart Automation, Think AI. Today we cover pump stalling on the SP4. Pump stalling happens when the plunger doesn't push at the program's speed. This may be caused by cartridge clogging, buildup in the syringes, or gradual wear. LabSentry AI detects a sustained drop in push speed in real time so that you can recover the run and capture data that drives performance monitoring, maintenance scheduling, and overall fleet management. Here's how to set this up before your run. From the PromoChrom Pilot dashboard, click the Settings gear. Under Devices, select your system and click Modify. Scroll to Pump Get Stuck and enable auto mitigation. Tick Pause and Ask each time. Turn on email or text notifications. Scroll down and click Update. You are now watching the pump camera in action during a push. During a push, LabSentry AI flags pump stalling. PromoChrom Pilot presents recovery options with context so you can act immediately. Abort. Disable stuck pump and continue. Decrease push flow rate and retry. Ignore this error and continue. You chose to decrease the push flow rate and retry. The push flow rate was reduced and the run advanced. A timeline entry documents the event. If in any case it gets stuck again, PromoChrom Pilot will reduce the push speed gradually. If the flow rate drops below 1 milliliter per minute, the run pauses and you're notified. All of the events are logged in your timeline. Stalls can happen with tough matrices and high sample throughput. With LabSentry AI and PromoChrom Pilot, you protect today's run and gain the data you need for maintenance scheduling, fleet health tracking, and establishing performance baselines. That means fewer surprises, predictable uptime, and a clean, auditable timeline. Want to know more? Click the link in this post. Again, this is Think Smart Automation, Think AI. Until next time.